Hello! Today's video will compare the Blackview BL9000 Pro versus the Ulefone Armor 27T Pro. If you love technology and want to stay updated with the latest news, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like. For those already interested in one of these phones, the purchase links are available in the video description. Now without further ado, let's get to the comparison. Design. Body material. Weight. Dimensions. Display. Size. Resolution. Screen to body ratio. Type. Pixel density. Refresh rate. Colors and brightness. Protection. Dust and water resistance. Rear camera. Video recording. Selfie camera. Performance. Chipset. CPU. GPU. Operating system. Antutu benchmark. Storage. RAM. Internal memory. Universal flash storage. Card slots. Battery. Capacity. Charging input. Fast charging. Wireless charging. Reverse charging. Connectivity. SIM card. network, Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, navigation, NFC, 3.5mm jack, radio, security, fingerprints, Face ID. Results. Price. Did you find the comparison insightful? Which one is the best for you? Leave your opinion in the comments section below. We'd love to know. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to stay updated with all our comparisons. And since you're here, check out this other comparison currently playing on your screen. I'm sure you'll like it. Thank you for watching. Bye.